In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to make money with ShareASale. I'll show you how to get accepted to their program, how to find the best affiliate products to promote, and how to actually promote those products so you can make as much affiliate money as possible. I'll also give you an email script that I use to raise my affiliate commissions that convert 62% of the time. If we haven't met before, my name is Matt Diggity. I've been an affiliate marketer since 2009, and I'm the founder of LeadSpring, an affiliate marketing media group, as well as the Affiliate Lab, an affiliate marketing training program with over 2,000 members. The ShareASale network has been a big part of my affiliate journey. I've consistently been making a few thousand per month with ShareASale for as long as I can remember. In case I'm getting ahead of myself, let's quickly break down what actually is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a make money online business model that allows you to recommend products and services and get paid for it. Think of it as being a middleman or middlewoman. You're introducing your audience to products and services you like, and when you do so, you get a commission for it. Now, there's many awesome things about the affiliate marketing business model. The first is that you can make money online, but without having to create a product. You don't have to design anything, buy inventory, or deal with customer complaints. Your job is just to recommend products. And the thing is, you're already good at that. I'm sure you recommend stuff 1 billion times per day in your normal life. Yo, have you watched the series on Netflix? Bro, you gotta try the supplement. Dude, how have you not upgraded your office chair? If you're doing this all day long, why not get paid for it? Another benefit of affiliate marketing is passive income. With affiliate, all your recommendations are posted online. And as you know, the internet works 24/7. So you're essentially making money when you sleep. What are the different places you can recommend affiliate products? First, you have blogging. You can start a blog or a website where you recommend products. And if you can get to the top of Google for a search like best gaming chair for back pain, you're going to get tons of free search traffic. This type of content is called a review roundup, where you're reviewing a bunch of gaming chairs and recommending the ones you like. Alternatively, you could write a review for individual products and get traffic this way. This is called a single product review. The great thing about using a blog as your promotion vehicle is you don't need to show your face. You can be completely anonymous. Another place you can recommend products would be social media. If you have a following on YouTube, for example, you could recommend products here and make money. Other places that people do well on social media are Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. The way you get credit for recommending affiliate products is through what's called an affiliate link. You get a special link from the brand you're partnering with that you place on your blog or social media. Whenever someone clicks that special link and buys something, you get credit for the sale. How much money you make depends on the commission rate. Some programs will only give you 1% of a sale, so you can imagine you'd have to sell an ass ton of gaming chairs to make any significant money. But other programs like ShareASale can offer you 50% or even higher, so you can see that who you work with really matters. Here's an example of this in action. If you were to Google best web hosting for SEO, you'll find my website at the top of Google. Opening up this article, you'll see that I've reviewed a bunch of hosting services and I give my recommendations on which ones I like. If you click this link here and sign up with WPX Hosting, I'll make a $100 commission on that sale. Websites that use this affiliate marketing model can make a lot of money. I left a link in the description to an affiliate case study for a diet blog that I sold for $600,000. Make sure to check it out after you finish here. Now, where does ShareASale fit into this whole thing? ShareASale is a platform where affiliate marketers can find different products, also known as offers, to promote. And the great thing is that it's 100% free to sign up. Once you're accepted, which I'll show you how to do soon, you can find thousands of offers in one place without having to dig around the internet. Now, there's quite a few reasons why I love ShareASale. First, the commission rates. It's not uncommon to see commission rates of 10, 20, and even up to 75% on many of the programs found in ShareASale. Are these numbers good? Let's compare it to the commission rates you would find on Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate program. Here's a screenshot of Amazon's latest commission rates. As you can see, these commission rates are quite minimal, especially compared to ShareASale's. For example, if you sold a vacuum cleaner for $100, you'd only be making $3 with that measly 3% commission rate. You're not going to get rich on Amazon Associates unless you're selling a lot of products or a lot of expensive products. With ShareASale, you can make more money with less sales. I also like ShareASale because it features a lot of the top brands. Brands that convert easy because of their reputations. Brands like Reebok, FreshBooks, Etsy, and ButcherBox. And also, ShareASale pays on time and doesn't do any funny business when counting your commissions. They're a big network with a rep that they need to maintain, so you won't get dicked around like some other affiliate programs might do with you. One con that I don't love about ShareASale is that their dashboard kind of blows. It's confusing AF. So in this video, I'll show you how to navigate it and use it optimally. But before we get started, I'd like to ask if you could please optimize that like button you see below. I don't know if you know this, but smashing the like button now shoots out digital confetti. It's fun to smash, but at the same time helps my channel out a lot and lets a YouTube algorithm know you like to see videos like this. Let's get started with a quick demo on how to sign up with ShareASale. I left a link in the description that takes you to the sign up page. Using that particular link gets you a head start in the application process and and it helps to support the channel. On this first screen, you put in the username and password you'd like to use. They'll also ask what country you're from with a handy tooltip that'll help you figure out where that is. Ah boy. On the next screen, they'll ask you to put in your website URL. Ideally, this is the website you're going to use for affiliate promotions. If you don't have a website yet, you can put in a social media profile. A YouTube channel can be created in minutes. Fill out what language your website is in, then answer these questions below. Most likely you're going to select no for all of them, but go ahead and read these just in case and click step 3 when you're done. On the next screen is where you give them an email address. Here's a tip. If you give them an email address that is connected to your domain, then that significantly speeds up and probably improves your acceptance rate. When you select that option, they even tell you it's a quote-unquote fast track application, so it's clearly what they want to see. On the next screen, fill out your contact information. You're most likely not an incentive website, so select no if you're not, and then verify that you're the owner of the domain. And on the last page, select how you want to get paid.
Pay cash money.
Now it's a waiting game. For demo purposes, I actually reapplied to ShareASale to see how long it would take. I got my approval back in exactly 28 hours, 15 minutes, and 52 seconds. Note that when you're accepted to ShareASale, you're automatically approved to many of the programs that are in their network, but not all of them. A lot of the good ones require an extra layer of application. Let's start to dig into that. Once you're accepted, head on over to ShareASale, then click the login button. You're going to want to click affiliate login. Then on this next page, type in your credentials. Here's what the dashboard homepage looks like. Up here in the top left, you have an activity feed that will show you recent transactions and other important information. In the upper right, you have a snapshot of your current balance and alerts. This top merchant section gives you a summary on how much total money you made with each program. And then down here, this trending merchant section gives you suggestions on programs that might be of interest to you. Let's start to look at how to find awesome products to promote on ShareASale. Click on this Merchant Search Go button right here or for the navigation bar, and you'll be taken to the Merchant Search page. I'm going to show you 2 ways to find affiliate products that I find most useful and efficient. If you already know what category your audience is in, you already have a blog or social media audience, then just browse by category here on the left-hand side. Let's say you're in the automotive niche. Once you click on this category here, you'll be taken to this page chock full of offers related to cars. They have radar detectors, car parts, car covers, trailers, batteries, they have everything. All these numbers here are super important and I'll get to them soon, but let me explain the other way I recommend hunting for offers real quick. Let's say you don't know what niche category you're going to operate in. If you go back to the main merchant search page and click on Power Rank, you'll be taken to this page here. This is an ordered list of ShareASale's top 100 offers. They're not ordered by category, you're just looking at the best of the best overall. I want to take a deeper look at this offer here, FreshBooks. This is a program that I'm promoting now and it's freaking awesome. Let's see the details by clicking on exactly this text right here. If you click anywhere else, you'll be taken to who knows where. See what I mean about the dashboard? Let me explain what you're looking at here. Up here at the top, they say you get $55 per sale, but there's a bit more to it. Let's click on this link here to see what their landing page looks like. This is where you're going to send your traffic to when they click your affiliate link. Right away, you already feel like this offer passes your bullshit test. It doesn't look spammy. It looks professional AF. It looks like they're trying to get people to sign up for a free trial of their invoicing software. That should be pretty easy to do. Now let's go back to the ShareASale merchant detail page and scroll down. So this is how their program works. You'll actually earn up to $10 just to get someone to sign up for a free trial. Then later, if that free trial converts to a paying customer, you get another $200. That sounds tasty as hell. Now let me explain the important numbers here. EPC is earnings per click. Actually, it means earnings per 100 clicks in ShareASale terms, so every time you get a click to this affiliate link, you should make around $2.56. That's not bad at all. The conversion rate is 6.04%, which is pretty damn good. And that's because it's a free trial. Free trials are awesome. And one of the best things about this offer is the 120-day cookie. When people click affiliate links, a cookie ends up on their browser, which stores the fact that someone used your affiliate link to get to that page. What a 120-day cookie means is that this person could literally go away on a 4-month safari, come back, buy FreshBooks, and you'd still make money. This is way better than Amazon's 24-hour cookie. Now before you apply, check out this commission rate tab here. This gives you a breakdown on how exactly their commissions work. You'll get paid more for different order values and sales from different countries. But check this here at the bottom. There's a section for your personalized commission rates. Always know that the rates you start off with are the bare minimum. These commission rates are the rock bottom, and they can and should be renegotiated. I'll show you how to do that later. Click on Join Program here, tick the box here at the top, and then briefly describe how you're going to promote them. Through a blog, social media, paid advertising, whatever. Now it's another waiting game until you get in. You can head to the merchant status page from the nav bar to check on any pending applications. Now let's talk about how to promote your ShareASale offer. Once you're accepted to a program, you'll see this Get Links button here at the top of the offer page. This is where you're going to get your custom affiliate links. Most of the time, you only care about text links. These are links that you can just copy and paste onto your blog to start making money. Ignore banner links, these are for display ad networks, not you. You can use a custom link generator if you want to link to another page on this offer's website. Just type in the URL here and they'll generate you an affiliate link to that page. And lastly, check out the deals and coupons to see if there's any special deals that might help your audience convert better. In my experience, buttons convert way better than straight up text links. If you have a WordPress blog, it's super easy to create a button with an image. As you know, my favorite way to get traffic to affiliate sites is through blogs and websites. Websites have the ability to get free traffic from Google, and this process is called search engine optimization, or SEO. There's no better form of traffic than organic Google traffic. It's free and visitors convert easier because they're already searching for what you're offering. If someone is searching for best invoice software and they see my review of FreshBooks, they're gonna convert. That said, the topic of SEO is way beyond the scope of this video. In the description, I left a link to a video on how to rank content that ranks #1 on Google. So check it out after you finish this video. Now here's a pro tip. Once you start getting some affiliate sales, as soon as you're making $100 per month, reach out to your affiliate manager and start a relationship. You can typically find the email address of your affiliate manager in the merchant description or in your acceptance email. Here's why you want to reach out to them. First, you can ask for recommendations on which of their products convert the best. Next, you can ask for custom coupon codes. If your blog is called biohacker.com and you get a 15% biohacker coupon code, this is going to convert like crazy because your audience knows it's created just for them. And lastly, and most importantly, you can negotiate commission rates. As mentioned before, the commission rates you start out with are rock bottom. They're always up for negotiation. When you reach out to your affiliate manager and ask for a raise, you need to focus on one thing. How can you make it about them? If an affiliate manager is already paying you 10% commissions, you need to give them a reason to increase their rates. What's in it for them? Here's what you need to understand. An affiliate manager's job is to make sure their product gets as much traffic as possible. When someone Googles best fishing poles, it's the affiliate manager's job to make sure their fishing pole is on each of these lists and as high up as possible. So one strategy to get increased commissions is to offer to write more content reviewing their product. Add their fishing pole to a best fishing pole for a beginner's article, for example. Another strategy would be to move them up your review lists. If you have them in a review of best fishing poles, you could offer to move their pole up your rankings. That said, here's my approach. Here's a script I sent that has a 62% conversion rate on getting higher commissions. There's a lot of psychology going on here, so let me explain. Hey Joe, how are you? Do you have authority to increase commission rates? This line here asks them if they have the ability to increase commission rates. We already know they do. They're the affiliate manager, that's their job. But this question is going to get a yes from them right out the gate. The Put Your Blog's Name Here team has been putting in major work squeezing your brand into our content at every opportunity we get. We've identified more content opportunities, but we're doing some ROI calculations before we jump into more your brand commitment. What this line does is tells them that their growth may slow down unless you get a higher commission rate, and that growth may be applied to a competitor. Notice how I didn't offer to write more content or to move them up list. If they counter and ask for these things, we'll take it from there. Now this script, or any negotiation for that matter, works better if you have a prior relationship. So meet your affiliate manager as early as possible before you start negotiating. Check out my interview with an affiliate manager video to learn more insider secrets like this. Link in the description. Now, finding a good product to promote on ShareASale takes a little bit of trial and error. Some products look great on ShareASale, but they're not a perfect fit for your audience. But when you find a product that hits, you want to double down on it. Create as much content as you can, find every angle and milk it for what it's worth. And make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one.